Hello friends, my name is Kolse Archana Dattatray. I am from RBNB College, Srirampur. Today we are going to learn mathematics paper first. In this chapter, first topic is mathematical logic. In mathematical logic, we are study the first definition statement. There is very much definitions in this chapter. First definition is statement. First, we know the sentences in day-to-day life we are use. Sentences are very much type. Sentences are interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means the sentences in which command, request, suggestion and orders are included. Statement. Our first definition is statement. A statement is a declarative or assertive sentence. A statement is a declarative or assertive sentence which is either true or false. But not both simultaneously. Let us remember that a statement is a sentence which is declarative or assertive, which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Statements are denoted by letters P, Q, R, S. Statements are denoted by small letters P, Q, R, S and so on. Statement is either true or false. Statement is either true or false. Next definition, truth value of statement. Truth value of statement. Next definition, truth value of statement. Each statement is either true or false. If statement is true, then its truth value is T, and if statement is false, then its truth value is F. Remember that if statement is true, then its truth value is T, and if statement is false, then its truth value is F. Truth value is F. Example: every triangle has three sides. Every triangle has three sides. This is example of statement, which is every triangle has three sides, which is our true statement. Second example, 5 into 2 is equal to 11. 5 into 2 is equal to 11. It is a statement, but we know that 5 into 2 is not equal to 11. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Therefore, it is false statement. The next note. We know very much type of sentences like interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, command, request, suggestion and order are included. These sentences are not statement. Exclamatory sentence is not statement. Interrogative sentence are not statement. Imperative sentence, the sentences in which command, request, suggestion, order or cheer up are not statement. Understand? आता next definition, open sentence. Open sentence. Next definition is our open sentence. ओपन सेंटेन्स मध्ये लक्षात घ्या. हॅलो, ओपन सेंटेन्स, द ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू व्हॅरीज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. द ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूज व्हॅरीज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू डिपेंड्स अपॉन द सिच्युएशन. ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू डिपेंड्स अपॉन the situation. Depends upon. In open sentence, truth value depends upon the situation, or in open sentence there is one or more unknowns. One or more unknowns. Truth value is not fixed. In open sentence, truth value is not fixed. Truth value is not fixed. Then these sentences are called as open sentence. Open sentence is also not a statement. Open sentence is also not a statement. Let us see examples. The sentence is statement or not. First sentence, how are you? How are you? Which is interrogative sentence. Therefore, it is not statement. It is not a statement because it is interrogative sentence. Next sentence, open the window. Open the window. It is order. Open the window, it is order. Therefore, it is not statement. It is not statement. It is not statement. Third example, it is not statement. X plus 6 is equal to 9. X plus 6 is equal to 9. It is an open sentence because x, where x is unknown. X is unknown is in this equation. Therefore, it is open. It is open sentence. Therefore, it is not statement. Therefore, it is not statement. Next example, number 4. What a beautiful place it is. What a beautiful place it is. What a beautiful place it is. It is an exclamatory sentence. It is exclamatory sentence. Therefore, it is not a statement. It is not a statement. Next example number 5. He is honest. He is honest. It is open sentence. Therefore, it is also not statement. Not statement. It is also not a statement. Please give your book. Please give your book. Please give your book. It is a request. It is a request. Therefore, also it is not a statement. It is not also statement. It is not a statement. Next example. Which of the following sentences are statement in logic? Which are example? Which are following sentences? Which of the following sentences are statement in logic? Write down the truth value. Truth value. Example first. 6 into 4 is equal to 5. 6 into 4. It is a statement. It is a statement. 6 into 4 is equal to 5. There is no unknowns, no other sentence. Therefore, it is a statement. Its truth value is false, because you know 6 into 4 is equal to 24. But given 6 into 4 is equal to 5. Therefore, it is a statement. It is a statement, and its truth value is false. Yep, its truth value is yep, because it is a false statement. Therefore, its truth value is yep. Its truth value is yep. Example second. X minus 3 is equal to 14. X minus 3 is equal to 14. It is open sentence because X is unknown. Because X is unknown, therefore it is open sentence. It is not a statement. It is not a statement. Example next. Third example. Please get me breakfast. Please get me breakfast. It is request. It is request. Therefore, it is not statement. Therefore, it is not statement. It is not statement. Example number 4. A quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. A quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. More than 2 roots. Quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. It is a statement. It is a statement. It is a statement. This statement is true. Therefore, its truth value is true. Its truth value is T. Its truth value is T. True आहे त्याच्यामुळे ही व्हॅल्यू T आहे. Its truth value is T. Example number 5. Can you speak in Marathi? Can you speak in Marathi? This sentence is interrogative sentence. This sentence is interrogative sentence. Therefore, it is not a statement. Therefore it is not a statement. Therefore it is not a statement. Next, 6 number. May God bless you. May God bless you. This sentence is exclamatory sentence. This sentence is exclamatory sentence. May God bless you. This sentence is exclamatory sentence. Therefore it is not a statement. It is not a statement. Next, 7 number example. India is country. India is country and Himalaya is river. See this, India is country and Himalaya is river. This is a statement. It is a statement, but we know India is country but Himalaya is not river. Therefore its truth value is false, because this statement is false. It is a statement. It is a statement. Truth value is false. Truth value is truth value is because it is a false statement. Therefore its truth value is And last example, example number 8. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta for all theta belongs to R. For all theta belongs to R. It is a statement. It is a statement. Its true value is true. Therefore truth value is T, because we know cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos of 2 theta. It is true. Therefore it is a statement. It is a statement. Truth value is T. Truth value is 2 because statement is true. Therefore its truth value is T.